What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you one of the latest and biggest airdrop that I found. But before I show you the project, I just have to say something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. So the project is called Alvara, and this is one of the projects that's going to be launching very soon. I think it's going to be launching in February, and they're doing one of the biggest airdrops that I've seen in a long time. So the entire airdrop is going to be $1.2 million, but it's not going to be distributed to one individual. It's going to be actually to multiple people. There's going to be like different tier prizes. If we go to their Medium article right here, you're going to be able to find all the information about the specific airdrop, what you need to do and how to do, and I'll show you a little bit in Zilly how to do that. But then, and if we scroll down through here, you're going to be able to find the grand prize. So if you get first place, you'll get $30,000, second place $15,000, and then third place $5,000, and then 4th through 10th place is going to be 1,000, and then everybody else who's actually going to get their like XP points. Each XP point is equal $1, as you can see right here, with 1 XP equaling $1, and the entire airdrop for this whole thing is going to be $1.2 million. So if we go to their Zilly, this is what you need to do. You need to connect with your Discord, with your MetaMask wallet, or maybe some other wallets, and there's just a couple simple steps you have to do. Spread the word, and a lot of those things it's going to be on Twitter, and then also invite friends. By inviting friends, of course, you will get most points. And I'm not sure for how long this airdrop gonna be open for, but I think they're gonna be launching their product in February, so you still have until February to actually grind and participate in Zilly and get the most XP points to get a biggest airdrop as possible. And this is pretty much it. All the links for the project and for the Medium article and Zilly I'm gonna leave in the description below. Good luck to everybody. Thanks for watching.